Let's warmly welcome Rahul Jindal, the esteemed Managing Director of Loom Crafts. With a steadfast dedication to innovation and excellence, Rahul has led the venture into the modular prefab industry since 2019. Under his guidance, the company has achieved remarkable milestone, completing over 400 cottages and homes across India. As the exclusive manufacturer of this cutting-edge construction method in the country, Rahul Jindal guides his team in revolutionizing the housing sector with efficiency, quality, and sustainability. Rahul will present a submission on revolutionizing home construction, exploring the advantages of factory-made homes. So let's warmly welcome Rahul.
So Loom Crafts, we are a 25-year-old company, and so we have been doing prefab since last 15 years. But in 2019, we shifted all our efforts from on-site construction to off-site, because since beginning we've been a manufacturer, and that being a contractor didn't suit us well. Because on-site construction, I don't think any material difference doesn't make a difference, because we have same challenges on-site: labor shortage, material wastage, all the weather climates, different climates. So we face the same issues. So then in 2019, we shifted from on-site to off-site, and we developed, using the same machineries what we have, we developed a new concept of modular, where we manufacture the home or a cottage in the factory, dismantle it into panels and flat pack, send it as a flat pack on a trailer on the site. So we've been successfully doing this last 4 years now, and we have done more than 400 cottages, different sizes. So we have sizes like from 200 square feet goes up to 3,000, 4,000 square feet, a 5 BHK house. Yeah, so my primary target is farmhouses, holiday homes, resorts, hotels, any customized solutions right now. We have a fixed designs which customer have to choose from, and we do a little changes in the floor plan if required, as per Vastu or as per the requirements. The design philosophy is all very Scandinavian, what we follow in India. So we have launched these different designs, mostly conical shapes, slanting roofs, because we don't do flat terraces. Again, issues of waterproofing and all on the site. So these are the benefits of modular construction: is time effectiveness, flexibility, sustainability, cost effectiveness, quality, risk reduction. Cost is different thing, because still now we are quite expensive than normal construction in India. It will take some time for us to be at par with them. So the major technology is panelized system. So all our buildings are designed as panels, which are made in the factory and then assembled on site again. So using the different panels like walls, roof, and floor are different panels, which is made into a module, and then those modules are joined together on the site. We have a patent for our process. So the modular process, not the technology, because the basic technology what we use is light gauge steel framing. So the process how we are making the cottage has been patented by us. How we are making it, dismantling it again, transporting, and then assembling on site again. So these are the different section details what we have. So basically, this is like one module. So majorly it's all LGSF, light gauge steel framing, covered with OSB board. Outside we waterproof it and use different cladding materials for the decorations. And inside again, different cladding materials and normal paint or wood or whatever the client wants to do. So this is the basic sectional details of our modules. So here are some photos of the factory, how the cottage is made in the factory. So we assemble the entire cottage, we make it, dismantle it. So all the electricals, plumbing, everything is done in the factory, and then it's dismantled and assembled again on the site. So basic finishes happen on site, but the structure and the electrical MEPs are done in the factory. So again, we have shown packaging. So we pack all the different panels so that it is protected from rain and different weathers, and then it is delivered on the site and then assembled. We follow design parameters. We follow Indian building codes for our construction. It's the same process what different structure engineers use for different materials, different building methods. So we've given a small comparison because we compare ourselves with wooden log huts or these kind of thing, because that's a basic design philosophy. And we have now, these are some options like we show. So our catalog is very detailed, in the sense we give the option of design, the basic look and feel of the design, and then we show them the layout. These layouts can be altered a bit, and plus we have given it's like a home is selling like a product. So that's our basic concept. So we've done this change we showcase our product, we showcase our construction as a product. So customer just need to select the design, make some changes and pay us, and we deliver the product to them. It's not like a construction thing they want to do. So different designs, different specifications we have, different options we have for 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, all these things. So again, this page shows that everything, whatever we are giving in the in our cottage, all the inclusions and exclusions what we offer. So the client, they read it, they know everything what we are doing. So it's not like anything is hidden from them. So they are kept in everything is very transparent what we are offering. We offer them different material choices, different colors. So they just need to select the colors, different materials for cladding, different switch socket like this. So we're using all the branded products what we do, and then it's become very easy for the client to just do a choice of colors. Bathroom fittings, like we have 3 options for bathroom fittings, so it's very easy for them that they just select that they want Kohler, they pay me extra and we deliver them the Kohler fittings. They don't need to go to the shop and select the designs or come to the factory and then do the selection. Not like that. Similarly, for tiles, we have standardized the 3 tile colors from Kajaria. We have, because we need to balance the stocks also. We just can't give them random choices. So it's standardization. I think for modular construction, standardization is very important. Otherwise, it will be same process, lengthy process of selecting the materials and everything. So this is the kind of standardization we have done, and we have been successfully doing it now. And customers are happy. They are very happy with the standardized products what we have offered them, because these are the general materials which are used in the market. Now the only difference is it's become factory made.
Thank you, Rahul, for such an engaging submission and for updating us about factory made homes.